Okay, everyone. In front of us, we can see two triangles. Triangle 1 is a right angled triangle, and triangle 2 is a non right angled triangle. Now, most students get confused that what sort of formula should be applied to what sort of triangle. So, the first thing that I would like to tell you all is that whenever you see a right angled triangle, which is labeled as 1, the first formula that should always be into your mind should be the Pythagoras theorem. Because what the Pythagoras theorem does is that it helps you in finding the value of a specific side using the other side. So the Pythagoras theorem says a square plus b square equals c square, or height square plus base square equals hypotenuse square, right? So this is the Pythagoras theorem. The other thing that you should always remember are the trigonometric ratios. The trigonometric ratios include sine equals perpendicular over hypotenuse, cosine equals base over hypotenuse, and tan equals perpendicular over base. The third thing that you should remember is the area of the triangle, that is 1 over 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. And height here represents this length, right? And base represents this length. So I hope this is clear. As far as triangle 2 is concerned, there are three things that you should be remembering about this one. First things first, the sine rule. The sine rule is only and should ideally only be used when you are dealing with a non-right angled triangle. Another thing, the cosine rule. This is also used when you are dealing with a non-right angled triangle, which can be a scalene or an isosceles triangle. And lastly, but not the least, very important, the area, which is 1 over 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b multiplied by sine of c. These formula are really important for your exam, and the application is even more important. To understand how these formulas should be applied, like and subscribe for more.